In Egypt's Valley of the Kings, the wind carries whispers of pharaohs and secrets buried beneath the sand. This valley, a necropolis of unimaginable wealth, has revealed the tombs of Tutankhamun and Rameses the Great. Yet, beneath the shifting sands, one legend remains. A tomb so enigmatic and dangerous it defies discovery. It's called the Mouth of Death, a name spoken in hushed tones by archaeologists and locals alike. No number, no name, no map marks its place, but every digger in the valley knows the story. They say it's a tomb never meant to be found, sealed away for eternity to contain something powerful or terrible. The desert wind seems to warn those who listen. My own search for answers has led me here, haunted by the legend. Is it just a myth, or does a hidden chamber beneath our feet hold a truth so profound it could rewrite history? The whispers on the wind say it's real, and they dare us to find it. This is the story of the tomb that shouldn't exist and the secret it guards. In 1923, as Egyptomania swept the world, a British team led by Sir Alistair Croft made a startling discovery in the Valley of the Kings. During a routine geological survey, a young worker stumbled into a hidden depression at the base of a cliff. Beneath the dust, they uncovered a staircase cut into limestone, leading into darkness. Unlike any tomb entrance before, this one bore no hieroglyphs or royal names, only two intertwined serpents carved into the stone, fangs bared, forming a circle. The team was baffled. Egyptian tombs usually proclaimed their occupant. This one was anonymous, secretive and ominous. The serpents felt less like protectors and more like a warning. The silence around the entrance was unsettling. No context, no history, just a sealed door and the gaze of stone snakes. Croft's team had no idea they stood at the threshold of a mystery that would haunt archaeology for generations. The legend of the Mouth of Death was about to become real, and the world would never be the same. The desert had revealed a doorway, but not its secrets. What lay beyond would remain untouched, for now. The serpents watched, unblinking. Croft's team prepared to open the tomb, but the door resisted every effort. Chisels shattered, drills snapped, and sledgehammers left no mark. Even dynamite failed. The rock around the door was scarred, but the entrance and its serpents remained untouched. The tomb seemed to fight back. Soon, strange events plagued the camp. Sudden illnesses, malfunctioning equipment, compasses spinning wildly. Local workers, unnerved, called the site Bab el Maut, the Mouth of Death, and refused to approach after sunset. The sense of dread grew. Croft, a man of science, was forced to confront the impossible. The legend was born. This tomb was protected by more than stone. It was as if something ancient and powerful guarded the secret within. The team's tools were useless. The desert had drawn a line that could not be crossed. The unbreakable barrier stood, defiant. The secret remained sealed, and the curse began to take hold. The Mouth of Death had claimed its first challengers. Unable to breach the door, Croft's team searched for clues. They found a single hidden line of hieroglyphs. "He who awakens the buried shall become the buried." This was no afterlife curse. It was a direct threat. The camp grew fearful. Local workers saw it as confirmation of their worst fears. Soon, tragedy struck. A surveyor vanished, leaving only his notebook behind. Another team member disappeared in Cairo. Croft himself fell ill, raving about serpent eyes and silence within the stone, and died weeks later. The expedition ended in fear and loss. The site was abandoned, tools packed away, and the sands reclaimed the staircase. The curse had done its work. The Mouth of Death remained sealed, its secret untouched. The legend spread. No one dared return. The warning in stone was heeded. The desert kept its silence, and the secret endured. With the tomb sealed, speculation ran wild. Some believe it holds a lost heretical pharaoh, erased from history and entombed in anonymity. Others whisper of the books of Thoth, sacred scrolls containing forbidden knowledge, sealed away to protect humanity. The serpents and the curse make sense if the tomb guards something too powerful to reveal. Darker theories suggest it's a prison, not a tomb, a place to contain a plague, an enemy, or even a demonic entity. The warnings would be literal. Opening the door could unleash an ancient evil. And then there are the wildest ideas: alien visitors, non-human entities, or lost technology from another world. The tomb's defiance of all known rules fuels these theories. In the face of the unknown, even the impossible seems plausible. The truth remains hidden, stranger than any story. The mouth of death keeps its secret, and the world can only wonder. What lies within? Decades passed, and the tomb faded into obscurity. In the 1980s, new technology prompted a secret investigation by the Egyptian Ministry of Antiquities. Ground-penetrating radar revealed a man-made cavity and sealed chamber exactly where Croft's maps indicated, but the chamber absorbed all signals, appearing as a void, an impossibility. The government responded swiftly, declaring the area a military exclusion zone. No further exploration was allowed. The official reason was geological instability. Rumors spread, a modern drill bit melted from inexplicable heat and faint vibrations were detected from within. The government denied everything, but why guard a myth with soldiers? The secret was now protected by law and armed patrols. The mouth of death was sealed, not just by stone, but by bureaucracy. The legend only grew. The world was kept out, and the secret remained untouched. Today, with all our technology, the mouth of death remains an unsolved riddle beneath the sands. It stands as a symbol of our limits, a door we cannot open, a secret we cannot claim. The pull of the unknown is irresistible, but the ancients' warning echoes, "He who awakens the buried shall become the buried." Perhaps they knew something we do not. The tomb's secret endures, silent and patient under the desert sun. Will we ever know what's inside? Maybe some mysteries are meant to remain unsolved. The search for answers is sometimes more important than the answer itself. The greatest treasure may be the enduring mystery. The serpent tomb waits, its secret intact. The legend lives on, and the desert keeps its silence. For now the mouth of death remains closed, its story unfinished.